Whoa, this feels so good. Hey? I like it for sure. Yeah, oh, get in there, baby.
It's just to stabilize, but in the end you push my leg down. Yeah.
Looks, this is therapeutic.
Giving more pressure to the tongue.
So for starters, I have to bend over like this, and then I'm picking it up. And then I have to hold this chair pose again. And as I'm pulling here, it's a lot of stress like on my back and on my legs. That's okay if you want to give yourself a workout, but if you want to do Thai massage for longer time, you want to take care of your body. So again, we're just sitting comfortably in the swing. I grab my hand under her heel. The other hand comes over. Inhale. Exhale. I can see the hip is lifting off the floor. I'm also watching the expression on her face. If it's like painful, then I know to back off. Okay. And then from here, I'm just going to lean forward. So as you see, as I come under the bar here, I'm like directly over her hips, and her leg is about parallel to the floor here. It's a bit difficult to adjust the height and the spacing at first. I got lucky. Okay, so this is her left leg. I'll take my right hand just below her heel. And I'll take my left hand, placing it just above her knee so I can help straighten the leg. So I'm holding with the left, pushing with the right, and then I'll lean forward a bit. So just tell me when to stop. I'm going slow, slow, slow. You're too flexible.
Whoa.
Okay, so I'll stop here. And so if you're pushing like me, you have to be careful that the height is correct so you're not falling out of the swing here. All right. And then I'll bend your knee. Okay, and I'm going to place my right leg outside of yours to help keep it like in line with the thigh. And then I'll use my thumb, and I'm coming down here, trying to hit between the bone and the muscle. You're really flexible, so it's not, you can come all the way down. Okay, if she was not that flexible, this would be a great stretch. But we're not doing anything. So, all right.
We're pretty warmed up this week.
Bend your knees. We can do some nice cycling here. It's so easy for me. I just have to switch side to side. Otherwise, with a regular massage, again, I'm squatting down here. It's stressing my low back. It's a powerful workout for my legs, but it shouldn't be about, you know, a workout for me.
Yeah.
All right. Then we can grab both of the heels, straightening the legs. For my own posture, I want straight back, pulling the shoulders back, just like in mountain pose. And then my legs are slightly bent, the knees are over the heel, and my feet are separated, like outside the hips. So I'm leaning back, so inhale, and exhale. So just move slowly, synchronize with the breaths. Usually you do 3 breaths for each pose, each side. Relax, down. Okay. Now, turn over on your stomach. Alright, now, this is really great. So we're going to be pressing here into the sides of the hip for a nice massage, you know, of the glutes. And so I'm turning just onto the side here, in line with the hip. And I need to balance on one foot. And then flexing my foot, I'm placing the heel into the side. I don't want to push on the bone, and I don't want to push down on here. I'm coming into the side and pushing at an angle to try to separate the muscle from the bone. And then, and like one spot you can push and it's fine, but then you move over a few centimeters and it can be way more sensitive. So I want to watch the expression on her face as I do it. Is that good?
Keep going.
Keep going?
Yeah.
So for me it feels like nothing. I don't know if I'm pushing hard at all. It's good? So if I want more pressure, I'm just going to keep leaning back.
But I'm guessing someone who wasn't as toned out wouldn't be as able.
No, yeah, look at the pressure.
And so if I wanted more pressure, I could have her move more to the side, or I could bring the swing up or down, and then switch sides, and just fly over. Soft push, soft release. You could do other stuff.
What about like the lower back? Yeah.
I never do anything on the low back, you know, unless it's really true. Okay, so here we can hover above, and we can do a nice back massage. I'll take my thumbs, however is comfortable. Take the thumbs and pressing here into like the meaty part of the shoulder. And then I'll just straighten out and lean forward here.
Wow.
And then I just shift the weight from left to right. And I'm pretty relaxed with my back. You just need some strong thumbs. I'm also feeling a nice decompression for myself. Okay. And then if you have a towel and your feet are clean, you can also come around here and again do a pressing with the heels onto the shoulders is nice. There's a lot more we can do.